Welcome back to Askademic, beginner level English course. Section 1. The banana is yellow. Can you think of another yellow fruit? It is a lemon. It is yellow. It is also sour. Do you like sour fruit or sweet fruit? The purple grapes are very sweet. It is a mango. It is sweet and a little sour. It is a pear. It is green and a little yellow. Good job! Let's get started. Demonstratives. This cute dog has a question. Demonstratives point to the thing referred to. Look around. What can you see? Let's make sentences with this and that. This is my computer. That is the door. Your turn. Make sentences with this. This is for things close. Make sentences with that. That is for things far. Good job! Connect words to pictures. It is a car. It is a red car. This is a girl. This girl has brown hair. This is a happy boy. It is a blue tie. It is a banana. It is a yellow banana. It is a nice house. This is a door. Open the door. Close the door. This is a big window. That is a small window. It is a cute dog. It has long ears. Very good. Let's read. It is a banana. It's a banana. The banana is yellow. It is a house. It's a house. The house is big. Complete these sentences. When we talk about something for the first time, we use a. It's a house. It's a banana. When we talk about something for the second time, we use the. The house is big. The banana is yellow. When we put it and is together, we use its. It is a house. It's a house. Great job. Now, look at these sentences. They are houses. They're houses. The houses are big. When we talk about more than one thing in English, we use S. One house, 3 houses. One banana, 6 bananas. Use is or are in the following sentences. My brothers are Steve and Graham. The Spanish student is Miguel. The apples are red, and the peach is yellow. The big house is my house. My father is a bank manager, and my mother is a doctor. The flag of Argentina is blue and white. The Simpsons are yellow. My sisters Julia and Rachel are students in New York. Excellent! Look at these sentences. It is an apple. It's an apple. The apple is red. When we talk about something that begins with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, in English, we use an apple, but a banana. An ice cream, but a dog. An umbrella, but a television. A or an? Look at these words. Is a or an correct? Egg. Egg begins with letter E. E is a vowel. An egg. Cat. Cat begins with letter C. C is not a vowel. A cat. Afternoon. An afternoon. Computer. A computer. Elephant. An elephant. Flower. A flower. Eye. An eye. Very good. Read the conversations between Carl and Jenna. What is it? It's a banana. The banana is yellow. What are they? They are cars. The cars are blue and red. Let's practice conversations. What is it? It's a cat. What are they? They are whiskers. What is it? It's a tail. What are they? They are ears. 2 ears. They are 2 ears. What are they? They are cats. 2 cats. They are 2 cats. What is it? It's an apple. What is it? It's a leaf. What is it? It's a stem. What are they? They are apples. 2 apples. They are 2 apples. What are they? They are leaves. 2 leaves. 1 leaf. What are they? They are stems. 2 stems. They are 2 stems. What is it? It's a house. What is it? It's a door. What are they? They are windows. What are they? They are houses. 2 houses. They are 2 houses. Well done. You're doing great. Next, Section 2. See you soon.